It's almost like a few years, but it's still good looking shoes. So what you guys waiting for? Shopping now. And of course, shopping now, 50% discount. Only here on syempre sa ating YouTube channel. Yes, right, try. Imagine that this one is 116 and of course less 19, less 19, less 19%. Check it out. Yan. Di ba? One more. I'm gonna put in here so we can go promote this one. But wait. I love these shoes. I love this one. It's really good, less 19%. Di ba? Oh, check it out. Okay. Ganyan na lang siya. Di ba? Oh, right in here. Para ganyan naman siya. Yan. Di ba? One more. Yan. Adidas. Yes. Check it out. This one is really good product. And you can several years. You can use like a 20 years. You can use like more than half years. No, more than like 50 years. Yeah, kasi edad ko.